The current time is 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight. Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somervell County in north central Texas, east central Hamilton County in central Texas, northwestern McLennan County in central Texas, Coryell County in central Texas, Johnson County in north central Texas, Bosque County in central Texas, Western Hill County in central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Texas. Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cooke County in north central Texas, northwestern Grayson County in north central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Thankerville, or 10 miles northeast of Gainesville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Midland, Gatesville, Crowley, Hillsborough, Woodward, Lacey Lakeview, Keene, Joshua, McGregor, Alvarado, Clifton, Rendon, Venus, Glen Rose. Tree damage is likely. This between mile markers 360 northwestern Grayson counties. This includes Interstate 35 near mile marker 503. And stay away from windows. Protect yourself from